Okay, we're driving along and we have been for a while, and it started to do the problem. So it's set to 22 auto on both, which is what we normally have it on, and the current ambient temperature outside, according to the car, is 13.5 degrees, as you can see there. Now I've got a temperature probe here. It's basically just a standard little probe. It's saying that the cabin temperature is 27 degrees. Okay, so I'll put this in the center vent, as you can see. It's like that. So there's the center vent, right? And it'll basically, this center vent's working flat out now. Absolutely flat out to try and get it down to 22. So there we go. But that's cold air. Air conditioner's flat out. Okay. Now I'll put the probe over to the driver's side. Sorry, we're driving along here doing this while that's happening. So you can basically see the vent there.
It's back in.
Yep. Okay. And you can see that this vent is punching out. Controls haven't changed. 50, like bloody hot air. Like it's stinking hot. There you go, 62. Still climbing. And as I said to you blokes, it's as hot as a hairdryer. 70 degrees. Okay, so we've got to turn it off now. Just close the vent.
Closed.
Close the vent. So again, ambient temperature outside is 13 degrees. It's night time outside. The vents are set to 22 auto. This one over here is, as you can see, this one on the passenger side. Let's stick that in there. So that probe's in there in the passenger side one now, and that's not as hot, but it's still, 55 is normally, 45 is about what it normally is. Okay, and also I'll go back to the center vent again, just to show you. So the center vent is going down now. It's just climbing down. It'll get down to about 16 degrees because the air conditioner is now fighting with the outside vents to try and cool the car down. Okay, and you guys reckon something about the center air vent? Well, I can show you the center air vent. The center air vent is currently in the middle. Has absolutely nothing to do with it. Okay, and so now you can see on the center, there we go, the 14. So we've got the center one's at 14, the outer one's 45, that one's 60, and the rear one, down here in the rear, behind the rear seat, you can sort of see that there, plugged into the where, yeah. That one is just as hot, and it'll get up to about 55 as well. So that's stinking hot air coming out of the back one. So that's it, guys. That's the problem. That's what we need you to have a look at. Thanks.